guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to haul and review another sexy lingerie. So without further ado, let's begin. Ito yung ating new collection for today. Oh, this is gray. Look at this gray color. And this is thong panty. Medium size po siya. Look at this. This is a front view. Ganda ng design ng kanya V. Ayan yung metal na produktungan niya. So tingnan natin yung kanyang sewing. Look at this, the sewing. And the garter is so soft. Very firm po ang kanyang pagka-stretch. Look at this. And then dito sa liko, sa ilalim, look at that. Wow. Nice. Wow. And this is a cotton. Cotton po ito, kaya ito cool na cool ito kapag sinuot mo. And this is thong panty, kaya sorry ulit do sa mga may almo. Pero kung kaya ng power nyo, go. Walang pipigil. At yung crotch niya, perfect. Meron siyang lining, same material. Kasi ang lining nito at ang material ay iisa, cotton po. Kaya ito ay soft na soft sa ating balat. Magandang maganda ito. Hindi ito makati sa balat. At tingnan mo naman yung niya, yung sewing niya. Nice. Nice quality. Look at this. At ito ay, tingnan natin. 95% cotton and 5% elastin. Kaya talagang cool na cool ito sa balat. Maganda po. At okay talaga sa quality, napakaganda. So this is thong panty. Sa quality, good. Sa material, good. This is cotton, so kapag i-rate natin siya ng 1 to 10, bigyan natin siya ng perfect 10 because napakaganda ng quality. The material is so beautiful. Look at this. And very affordable kasi ito ay nagkakalaga lang ng 65 pesos. So that is for today for our sexy G-string tiny thong panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.